Hello, my dear friends. Today we'll learn accessories in Russian. Accessory, accessoire, accessoire. So what we use as accessories in our everyday life? Of course, jewelry. But how to say jewelry in Russian you can learn in a previous video, and today we'll learn another accessories. Glasses, очки, очки. And some people have good eyesight, but they use очки like an accessory. Sunglasses, солнцезащитные очки, солнцезащитные очки. Hat, шапка, шапка, it's usual hat. Cap, кепка, кепка, summer hat. And big summer hat, шляпа, шляпа. Bag, сумка, сумка, clutch bag, clutch, clutch. Then we have портфель, портфель, and рюкзак, рюкзак. Then we have scarf, 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 or headscarf. Платок, платок. Belt, ремень, ремень, or another word, пояс, пояс. Accessorized for some parties. Маска, маска. And for today life, маска, маска too. And some more accessorized for parties. Веер, веер for men or for some costumes, yeah, for some women too. Watch, watch, watch. Часы, часы. This is бабочка, бабочка, and tie, галстук, галстук. Great accessories, especially for men, for jacket, for example, yeah, for costume. Запонки, запонки. So that's all for today. I'm waiting for your comments, for your opinions. What do you like from accessories? And what accessories do you know more? See you in the next video. Bye!